Alright, boys and girls, today we're not only taking something to a power, but a power to a power. So, before we get into it, click that like button, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Let's get down into it. When it comes to exponents, we have multiplied and divided and added and subtracted. But have we taken a power to a power? Law 6 is going to help us with that. So say you have a to the power of b all to the power of c. Law 6 tells us that we can simplify this to a, the base, to the power of b multiplied by c. Now that is our sixth law of exponents. So let us now see how we can use this to simplify a maths problem. In the following example, we have a coefficient of 2 and a to the power of 2 to the power of 3. And we add to this term 3, a to the power of 3 all to the power of 2. And so let us apply the sixth law of exponents. 2, and we would say a to the power of 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6. And now in this next term, we would say 3a, and we would have our power be 3 times 2, which is 6 as well. Now let us spot the like terms. Remind yourselves, like terms are those who have the same variables with the same powers, a to the power of 6 and a to the power of 6. And so lastly, we have 5a to the power of 6. Now that was a quick one, so go ahead and practice. And remember, do your best and pray for the rest.